Dun 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 dun! Welcome to Cooking with Goose. I'm Goose. Today we're going to do a little bit of an experiment. Experimenting with Goose! Da 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 da! Yeah! Today we're going to experiment with acids in our chili to see which one I like the best. If you want to know how to make chili, then check out our chili video. It's my first video. And don't worry, this acid won't hurt you. We put acid in savory dishes to brighten them up. Yay! So they don't taste too rich. Okay. Oh, and also, surprise ingredient, pickle juice. I know why. I know that it's weird. We also got red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar. Geez, there's a lot of vinegars. And lemon. Let's get cooking. I mean, experimenting. This is the chili that has no acid in it. Let's try it. It's pretty good. I can say that it does need some acid. It has a tang in it and a little bit of a spiciness. I might need some water, but not now. Now that we've tried the chili without acid, we're gonna try one with acid. This is gonna be the balsamic. I'm gonna add it from in here. That's a big carrot chunk. What the balsamic is doing is it's adding acid, but it's also adding a flavor. And all of the acids that we're using will add a different flavor, except for lemon, the classic. Now that we tried the balsamic vinegar, we're going to try the apple cider vinegar. I love apple cider. Okay. Mix. It's hot. It definitely adds more of an apple taste. Makes sense because it's apple cider. But also it adds like a sweet tang. I don't know how to describe it really. Okay, let's do the red wine vinegar. No, not a big fan of this. Okay, now it's time for our last vinegar, rice vinegar. It makes the meat taste like sausage. Okay, now let's move on to lemon. lemony. I think I might have added too much, but that's sort of like a, don't know why, but for me, it's like a stingy acid, or sticky one. Okay, so this is not a normal way to season your chili, but this has a lot of vinegar in it. So we're gonna put it in. Probably gonna be very, very salty. It's a salty sweet. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you my favorites. I have 3 for the top. I'm going to get rid of 1. I hate this. This one's good, but I don't like that it makes the meat taste like sausage. And then this one, I don't think apples are supposed to be in chili, okay? Which leaves us with these 3. These are my top 3. Can move that there. Boop. I like the lemon because it's like the one that's supposed to be in there, and like it tastes good because it goes with it. So I like the balsamic because it's sort of like this soy sauce, and it adds the flavor it's supposed to, but it also adds an extra flavor that is like savory. And then I like salt and pickles. That's why I like pickle juice in my tea. Well, don't forget to check out that chili video. Bye. Dun dun na 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 na. You didn't turn it off, did you? I know that expression on your face by now. Oh wait, did you even turn it on? Did you turn it on? Now that we've tried the chili without any acid, we're gonna try one with acid. We're gonna use balsamic. Just a little tap. Whoa! Too much. I'm gonna scoop that out. Okay, let's do the red wine vinegar. No, not a big fan of this. No, I'm not eating that. Ah!